Goal is simple, to make the best products that we could, using the best materials and partnering with our clients and having that type of relationship with them.
I'm a conversion specialist. I go out day of surgery when implants are placed and I take a denture and convert it to an acrylic wrap bridge so the patient leaves with a smile that day.
So I set teeth for our dentures. I just place them in a position that they're going to be in so that the patient will have the best smile possible.
I work in the finishing department, which means after the work is processed, I work on the lathes, I put anatomy in dentures, and I make them look realistic.
There was a point in time where I just started searching for better laboratories who were based off of integrity and quality, who could teach me and help me to elevate my own skills as a technician.
I'm very proud of young, energetic, talented people that have chosen to work here at Wiand Dental Laboratory, because it's not easy working here. I think we have a great place to work, but we demand a lot from our employees. We demand the best. And people who have chosen to stay here and work want to do their best every day. They want to be the best. They want to be on the best team, and that's why they're here. So proud of how hard they work and what they bring every day to the lab. Our goal today is the same as it was over 25 years ago, is to create the best products that we can for our clients using the best materials and systems available. In spite of all the noise and different gadgets and what's in vogue and what is being marketed, it's us working with our clients, helping to navigate through all that noise and come up with the best solutions for their patients. I think what makes us different than the other laboratories or our competition is our consistent commitment to quality. We get the basics right. How I know that is I'm amazed when we hire new hires and they come in and for our model room, for instance, they don't measure powder liquid, they don't vacuum mix the stone. Those are basic things that have to be done right in order for the outcome in the end to be correct. Removables and implant-supported full arch restorations has always been what's interested me. I've been fascinated with it, always enjoyed it. I don't believe you can be an expert at all in all phases. I think that we're the best at what we do. I sincerely believe that, and as I always say, we stay the course in what we do.
Tom has taken the time and effort to investigate in. He trains technicians in the Wiand way so that we get a consistent, flawless product every time. We do not like dental adventures here at Wiand Dental.
Quality always comes first. Tom Wiand understands that, in order to produce quality prosthetics, you cannot sacrifice your integrity and you can't sidestep procedure. So we're very process-based. It doesn't matter if we're doing a single unit acrylic partial or a complete all-in-4 restoration, it's always going to be handled with the same care.
Everyone that works here, everyone that touches a case from start to finish, has a tremendous amount of pride, and that really shows in our work.
The other thing that sets us apart, I think, is our customer service and our support that we have for our clients. We have a team and infrastructure in our laboratory. We want to get it right the first time, just like you want to get it right the first time. The goal is not to have remakes. The goal is to make sure when a case comes in, we're evaluating what you've sent in. We communicate with you to make sure that we're going down, the impressions are good, we're going down the right path together. And we give the best product to your patient the first time. What's important to understand is that the dentist chair time is the biggest expense that they have, more than saving $50 on a lab fee. Getting it right the first time is the most important thing.